Hi, I'm Miracle Mike, Handicap Life.
I'm Shane from Camp Life Galleria.
Samantha, Camp Life Galleria.
And we are currently here at Donner Pass at a beautiful spot we're going to be spending the night at. Let me give you a little view.
Shane creation.
Yeah. Barbecue.
Well,
yeah.
Until dinner's done, I'm Shane again. This is Sammy and Miracle Mike. Remember, like and subscribe. We will see you next time.
Bye. Donner Trail.
Come see Donner Museum. It's awesome. Exit off of Interstate 80.
Donner Lake, magnet fishing, my pool right here, and Shane.
All skunked.
Electric whatnot, or machine whatnot. Ah, itchy, man. Ugh. Thank you. Alright, this one here. Try it out. Nice.
Working good, Michael?
Yeah. I like it.
Where'd you get that, Mike?
I like it. eBay. I like it. eBay. Nice. Whole beans, I guess. Let's try it out. Mix it. Try it out right here.
Lots of mosquitoes.
Itchy as heck. Mosquitoes. I like it though. Nevada, here we go. What's
Yeah,
up?
Nevada. We're on the state borderline.
It's like a river.
Bucket of blood soon. Virginia City. All the way up. Rock climbing. Wow.
Yeah, I'm cool off that. Walker Lake, Highway 95. Next off, Grand Canyon National Park.
There, it's going. Fee due $80. We're here!
Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo!
One more. Further up. Yeah. A small one though. Alright, nice.
You okay?
Wow, beautiful. And the view awesome, but the view like this one here, man, I don't know though. Beautiful though. I'm like
The pictures look terrible. Horrible.
yeah, I know, man.
You can't take pictures.
Really?
It
I mean,
doesn't
you can.
like.
Alright then, I'm heading out. Long Beach, fishing, sand dollars, and more. Check out my painting. First attempt, Joshua Tree. Nice. Alright then, thank you.